Hi guys, it's 17th September 2025. Today the Federal Reserve is gonna make a statement and the market expects the Fed to reduce interest rates by 0.25%. Let's see if that really happens or not. So typically what would happen is if the Fed reduces interest rates, the dollar tends to depreciate and if you look at symbols like Euro USD or GPP USD or anything relative to the USD, USD weakens, so the other currency would strengthen. So I'm long Euro USD, and the reason I'm long is it was quite expected that they would reduce 0.25%. They could reduce to even 0.5%, but I'm happy with even a 0.25%. And um, that's the reason I've been building up my position sizes, and I've been trading micro lots in this trading account that I have, and I set up this account a few months back with $500. And if you take a look at my open positions right now, I think I have about 70 of these micro lots, or seven of these micro lots. So that's about $7,000 worth, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. Well, let's take a look. So it's Euro USD. Let's see this properties. So it's $1,000 each lot, and I have, I think, it's close to 70 of them. Yeah, so seven of them. So I typically try and open point one of a lot every time, and then on average I have I think point seven or maybe even six of these. So I'm not playing it too crazy. So it's a my average leverage is about seven times, I think. No, 14 times. Yeah. So I have slightly over leverage on this. I'm not too happy with such a big leverage, but I'm quite bullish. I'm really, really bullish on this. And I'm going to monitor what happens tonight. And based on that, if it's going against me, I'll close quite a few positions and just leave about three of these lot sizes. That's about $3,000 open positions. I'm not really day trading, but I like to close about mm, maybe $1 of profit every day, um, just to feel happy about it, I guess. But I'm more or less, I would say I like to close positions every week or every time there's a decent movement in euro dollar or whichever currency I'm trading. I would try to close some positions then. So let's see where we are at the moment. I like to look at the charts on TradingView. Yeah, right here. Let this open. I have a free account, so excuse. Uh, yeah, let's take a look at this euro dollar. Okay, I've not opened this in quite a while, I guess. Oh, actually, I have. Yeah, 2 days back. Okay, so we are on 17th. There's news coming out in approximately 1 hour's time. And so here you can see forecast 4.25, previous 4.5, and I think most of the market's expecting it to be reduced to point by 0.25, so that's 4.25. Let's see what happens. We have been shocked in the past, so but I would like to probably close a few positions at 1.19 and probably make a call next week um, for maybe even I won't be shocked if it hits 1.20. Anyway, let's see. I'm already in the money at the moment, so I'm good. Let's see what market's doing. Let's see what retail traders are up to. So we saw 2 days back that they were heavily short euro dollar, which doesn't make sense to me, but they're retail traders. Or not that I'm not, but oh my God, yeah, they're even more short, 80%. I think they were 72% short the last video that I made, but they were short 1.13 something, and so I guess many of them have been stopped out, and it looks like um, there are more people at 1.15 short, and they'd be bleeding. If this moves to 1.20, these guys would be, I'm sure they're over leveraged. and they would be wiped out. Which is I'm not happy about it, but many online gurus just try to make it seem like you can, make $1 million in with just $1,000 account, and they're just pure betting, pure gambling. Sorry. Um, anyway, they could be right. Maybe I'm wrong, but I'm long. I would say I'm not heavily long, but yeah, I'm long. I have a bullish bias on this, and based on the information I have and the outlook of the Fed over the next year, and even Trump trying to pressure the Federal Reserve, I feel quite bullish on Eurodollar. Okay, so what else can we look at? FX Street is a very good, very good platform to look at things. Very good website. The Federal Reserve by itself, the entire data, the transcripts, statements, minutes, press conference, everything is right here at your fingertips. You should look at this at least once a week and just keep refreshing yourself. And then there's a commitment of traders, which you can look at on the CFTC website, I guess. But I like to take a look at it on this because it sort of gives you a quite an interesting or quite a good layout. So I look at non-commercial, which is the institutional guys who are taking a look at forward contracts, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. And yeah, they're still heavily long euro. And what else can you look at? Trading economy, economics, yeah. And yeah, there's so many platforms. I like to look at the calendar at Forex Factory. It's quite precise and good layout. And yeah, we are just an hour away. So that's about it for today. Thank you so much. See ya.